Hey everybody, welcome to my watercolor class. I've spent some time in France and there are some things that, well, you just can't forget. So that's why I decided that in this watercolor class we will learn how to paint traditional, delicious French dessert. My name is Yana. I'm a full-time traveler and a watercolor artist. I've been painting for 15 years and currently I'm working on a project called Travel Art, which means that I travel the world, meet people, see places, and I paint all my adventures in watercolor. Besides that, I also create prints of my artworks, organize workshops in the cities I travel to, and create handmade, unique sketchbooks. If you're interested in watercolor but new to this medium, this course is perfect for you. I will not give you any difficult theory or weird words. I will just slowly guide you step by step through the whole process of creating a realistic painting. So we will learn about colors, about tones, about light. We will use real macarons. We will put them on the table and paint the still life. We will start from the simple sketch and then build up layers and then build up colors, learn how to create volumes and shapes. So if you're interested to deepen your knowledge, to know something new, but in an easy and fun way, and you love macaron as I do, join this course. Okay, I go buy new macaron, and you stay here, prepare for the class, and see you later.